Okay, I think I got the hang of Flynn's ship. You ready to fly out with me and Max? Cool. It'll be good to figure out why those Doom Raiders are going after Traptanium. Plus, I'm kind of curious about this fish that ate Max. So let's go. Wow, you weren't kidding when you talked about the storm.
Yep, it's been pouring like this ever since that big old rainfish showed up.
Speaking of which, just how big is this rainfish?
That big! Oh, that takes me back.
Okay, we just need to find that information squid of yours, deal with the pirates, not get eaten by the rainfish, and find somewhere to land in this storm.
All right, then. How about I show you around these parts?
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
Well, looky here! We arrived just in time for a pirate party! I wonder if it's in our honor! Hit 'em, Skylander!
Blast ho!
Walrus.
That's right! Give these pirates whoop-hoo! Take that, pirate!
Walrus defeated.
Put a tech...
Oh! What is this? Some kind of vortex? Well then, vortex!
Walrus trapped.
I'm a bro!
Like the way you handle yourself there, Skylander. Real nice. Might be some wood you can use over there to repair the bridge. Not a very sophisticated invention, but hey, it works. Well, hot buttered toast! You made it! Although it just occurred to me that we might have better luck finding my information squid if we split up. Nothing personal, I swear.
Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
Yo-ho-ho! Look what the catfish dragged in. A Skylander! I suppose it's my key you be wanting. Well, if so, then it's Skystone Smash we first be playing. Yah-har! That's what I like to hear. Now, let's play some Skystone Smash!
Brawl and chain. Chef Pepperjack. Fireball. Buzzer Beak. Moblobs. Sheep Creep. The Gulper.
Well, I'll be scrimshawed. Ye won! But a pirate of me word I am, and
Knew I could do it. On the hunt.
Prepare to get brain drained.
Mastermind.
Energy
Got
is
yourself
growing.
a real mind battle here.
Knock on wood. Cut it out.
Mastermind defeated.
Put an undead trap in the portal to trap this villain.
If I could Hey, you're not supposed to use magic against me.
Mastermind trapped.
Back in action. On the right trail. Right on.
Uh-oh. Looks like we got ourselves a classic case of gate in the way. There's a switch inside that opens it, but also a lot of bad guys in there. Want to take care of them?
Villains are stronger in this zone.
You got axed.
Hot buttered toast.
It's the cold front with DJ Chill Bill.
Oops! Looks like another bridge is out, and not one you can rebuild with a little wood. But luckily, we got a big crane right here. First thing you'll want to do is use it to pick up those pirate creeps on the other side and drop them into the water. Should be a hoot and a half. So just drive that crane out to the platform with those pirates. Once you get the crawl right over one of their heads, press the button to snatch them right up. Arms
just hope you'll be gentle. Avast, ye train picker-upper!
There you go!
Avast, ye train picker-upper!
There you go! Come on, bring that crane over to me. Great! Now just drop me off on that other platform. Just about anywhere will do. Nice going. Now I'll just activate my handy-dandy bridge here.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone. Villains are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the water element are
Looks like our path is blocked. But luckily, we've got another crane. Hi, Stock. What is it with these pirates? They all just moved out here to worship a giant fish? Anyway, grab them. Press the attack button now! Press the attack button now!
I can't swim! Hey! What's the big idea?
There you go!
Hey! What's the big idea? Yarr!
Call of the Wild. Can't stop the chop.
All right, let's do it! Let's hug it out!
Brawl and chain.
Nature is calling.
You won't catch me! But I'm oh yes!
Whoa, whoa!
Brawl and chain defeated.
put a water trap in the portal to trap this villain.
Oh, my true love will always be the sea.
Brawl and chain trapped.
Coming in! Who wants to give me a hug? That's what I... Whoa!
Hey, as luck would have it, I just found my information squid. It's hanging somewhat suspiciously in that net. Ah! My information squid! Oh, those idiot pirates must have been using it as fish food. But if I understand fishing, and I don't, I'm thinking that we might be able to catch this rainfish using that crane over there. Come on, before it's too late!
Knock on wood.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
Live on the edge. Buried the hatchet. Nature's bounty.
First thing you want to do is bait this fish with a little bit of bait. Makes sense in a crazy kind of way. Hot buttered toast! Now drop that bait near the fish. Now grab that fish! Quick like! Hot buttered toast with cinnamon on it! You got him! Well, now it's just a matter of getting inside his belly and pulling out my information squid as well as anything else you happen to find in there. Sure is good to have my information squid back. Sorry you had to go inside the rainfish's mouth to get it, though, Skylander.
So this thing can really tell us all about Traptanium?
It can tell us just about anything, Callie. Except, of course, a good recipe for guilt-free brownies. That would be impossible.
Okay. Well, let's get it back to the academy then, and figure out what's next.
Okay, now that we have the information squid, we can ask it why the Doom Raiders are acquiring all this Traptanium. Wait a minute. That doesn't sound like my information squid.
Hello, fools! I mean, friends. It is I, Chaos. But fear not. I'm not here to destroy you, as I have tried to do many times in the past. No, no. This time, I am here to help you. That's right. Help you. Look, I don't like this any more than you do. But those stupid Doom Raiders are a problem for both of us. Trust me.
Not so fast, short stuff. Trust is something you gotta earn.
Of course. I wouldn't have it any other way. In fact, I'll start by helping you find out exactly what that ridiculous floating freakhead, the Dreamcatcher, is up to. What do you say, team?